Hello guys and welcome to different Russia channel. This episode will be from our dacha. I will combine a few days of videos. At the moment guys we are busy at our dacha. Mostly Alex has a lot of work because he is busy with the construction. We restarted the construction of the attic and he is busy with the electricity. Though we are not invited, but I hope Alex will show what he is doing. Alex! We are going to check your progress. Oh.
Привет, лунатикам.
Hello. I think, guys, it is for several days. So, guys, and one more challenge to get downstairs. Ой.
Завтра будет штатно включаться-выключаться. Вон тем, внизу.
Ё-моё. Alex promises that tomorrow he will be the light. And we can turn it on from downstairs. Alex is very proud of himself. The electricity appeared at the attic.
Все работает, выключается выключателем.
Everything works and can be switched on and off from the ground floor.
Вот. Теперь будем заниматься строительством. Здесь построим стеллажи.
Now the plan, guys, to put shelves somewhere here. So guys, we would like to present you the final result of the work at our dacha house attic. That's how it will be. Alex constructed several shelves, to be more exact 4 shelves. They are not fancy, but they are very, very practical. We used the old boards from our demolished blue house and also some new boards that were left from the construction of this house. It took us many days because we worked just maybe 1 hour today, 2 hours yesterday. So when we had time, we came just maybe for 1 hour, for 2 hours, and it took us rather long time. So, but at the moment, I think the result is rather great. The shelves can be put in, I don't know, in other parts of the attic. At the moment, we decided to put them here because in the middle we can put something big, and here will be just some small boxes on the shelves with very, very necessary things, yeah, Alex, that we do not want to throw to the garbage bin.
Я вот думаю, может быть, подпилить на 10 сантиметров вниз, потому что здесь мало места.
Alex wants to make the shelves lower, just to cut a little bit of here. But first of all, guys, we have to bring the boxes and understand how big boxes we can put here. So at the moment, I think that is all, Alex. So if you would like to cut, it's not a problem. It's a problem to make bigger, but to make small, it's not a problem. So guys, thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this small episode, dacha episode. And in the next episodes, we will show you some other construction because Alex is planning to build some water system. Also, we are planning to build some shed. Yeah, Alex? Sarai? Alex doesn't want. I want. So, guys, the work inside the house is over for the moment. So we stop the work because the weather is rather warm. And we are rather late with the greenhouse, or in Russian that is called teplitsa. This year we are planting tomatoes, cucumbers and pepper for the first time. Usually we planted dill, parsley, onions, zucchini, but this year Alex decided to plant tomatoes and cucumbers and pepper. In winter we got a parcel from Steve and Angela, and inside the parcel was a packet of seeds. What's that? Ну, открывай, будем так смотреть. Alex doesn't understand what is written there.
Написано... А, это знаешь, что такое? Семена! Seeds.
Seeds, yeah, seeds, семена.
Супер! Во, посадим!
So guys, these are the seeds we got from Steven and Angela. Today we will plant tomatoes and pepper. Hello guys and welcome to Different Russia channel. Alex and his garden project. Today in this video. The time has come for the next step. The magic of filming, guys. 1, 2, 3 and voila! Alex presents the result. And here guys, look what treasure we have. Tomatoes, cucumbers and pepper. That is what Alex planted a few months ago. You see? But as we have very cold days, I think we will plant them in the soil maybe in a week or maybe in 2 weeks. But they are very big. Already big. I don't know what will be in 2 weeks. Alex says we will plant them a few days before New Year. Хватит этого? How Alex works, we can watch forever. Yeah, Alex. Work, Alex, work. Alex is preparing the soil for the future greenhouse. The plan was to put the greenhouse over there, where we have the barrel in the middle of our property. But as we are planning to build a shed this year, we decided not to put the greenhouse there because we can ruin it, and decided to plant over here. All this is from the seeds that Angela and Steve sent to us. And that is my basil. Not very presentable, so but hope it can survive, because yesterday we even had hail.
Помогите, воткните. Ну загни. Во. Сейчас Алекс смонстрячит вам.
The rain started. Let's go inside, Alex.
Ща. Мы вошли во вкус.
Still, guys, very cold in Moscow region, but you can see that our plum tree is blooming. And also a few flowers appeared on the cherry tree. But in general, rather cold. A few days ago I planted basil, and you can see that almost all the green basil plants died. Oh, you see, I planted it, and in a few hours the hail started. So these ones I planted yesterday, but I think they also will die. As for the purple basil, they seem to be okay. These ones I planted yesterday, and these ones a few days ago. And you can see one died, and these ones I think will die very soon. Very cold during the night, nothing wants to grow. Alex started to build the greenhouse, парник, теплица. This one will be for cucumbers, and this one for pepper and tomatoes. And you can see we have a lot of yellow tulips. They're very big, I should say even fat, especially this one. You see how big it is? About 8 centimeters, maybe more. Very cold, guys, and nothing wants to grow. I planted some lettuce, dill, radish, onions, so basil, a lot of everything, but nothing wants to grow. Very cold, very windy, and especially cold at night. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this small episode. From time to time I will post some videos from Dacha. Soon will be video with Sheffield. So thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you soon in another episode. Пока.